Hi everyone. So just for a change, we aren't in my garden today. We are in my mother-in-law's garden, who just lives around the corner to me. And the project I'm going to concentrate on today is a little pond that my late father-in-law built. I was just trying to work out, he must have built this pond about 27 years ago now, when my girls were little. So anyway, I come round here regularly because I use my late father-in-law's greenhouse on a regular basis. And this past year, every time I come round, I usually bring my little grandson with me, and he plays with a little fishing net in the pond whilst I potter around in the greenhouse. It's lovely. But what I did notice was that the amount of water he was playing with was getting smaller and smaller because the pond was getting choked with weed. The marsh marigold had taken over, but also it's just getting swamped with ivy. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to clear out this pond, and who knows, we might put some fish in as well.
Hi!
So where are we today?
At Grandma's house.
At Grandma's house. So this poor pond has just been overtaken with the dreaded ivy, hasn't it? Right, so we've got a lot of climbers and ivy and things that I don't even know what they are here. This dead stuff in here is marsh marigold, and you can see the new little leaves down there. It was beautiful, but yeah, ivy just takes over everywhere. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to clear this pond. Wow, can you see how big the pond is? Look at all the water. Did you know it was that big? Monty, don't eat that. It'll really make your tummy poorly. Monty's eating all the yucky pond weed that I'm pulling out. Because he's a dog. That's what dogs do. Look what I can see in here. There's something, a statue behind all this ivy. What is it? Should we take all the ivy off and see what it is? It's like a secret garden. Oh, wow. Can you see? It's a statue of a little girl or a little boy. I don't know yet. Let's have a look. Let's take it out. But where would we put her? I think she likes sitting there looking at the pond. she is. Wow. Isn't she lovely? Right, well that looks a whole lot better, doesn't it? Yeah. So what do you think we need to do now? Do you think we need to clear out all this pondweed and dead leaves?
Yeah. No, let's go back home.
Have you had enough, have you? No, you have to finish the job once you've started. Right, so you know what we need to do? We need to try and get underneath this mesh, because Grandpa was very safety conscious, wasn't he? And he put this mesh on so that you wouldn't fall into the pond. So can you take your little statues, put them somewhere safe on the lawn?
Yeah.
And what we need to do is...
Here, I will put one here.
Okay, so they're nice and safe away from the pond. Well, we're nearly done. It's really tricky getting all this gunk out when it's got a mesh over the top. You can't get the mesh off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip this bucket full out onto the side like that, and then anything that's trapped in there, you see I see a little spider there already. Any little newts or eels or anything?
Really?
Can you see the spider in there? They'll scurry out and go back into the pond. So do you think that looks so much better?
Yeah.
And that was lovely finding that little girl, wasn't it? That statue. Do you want to give her a name? What should we call her?
Gank.
What?
The Gank.
Grandagank.
Yeah.
Okay. And this marsh marigold here is beautiful. It goes about this tall, covered in yellow flowers. Gorgeous. But that's not until next year now. So that's it for today. I think we'll go and have a nice cup of coffee now and some juice, do you think? Yeah? I'm really pleased with that, particularly discovering her. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Monty, where are you going? He's going home, is he?
I'm seeing the snorkel.